Welcome to the Seven Gables Real Estate Market Trends Report for Orange County residential properties for the month of February 2010. I want to share 4 specific areas that I think are critical to what's going on in the marketplace today. The first area we're going to take a look at is how many properties are actually in the marketplace. The second area I want to share with you is how many properties actually gone under contract for the month of February 2010. Thirdly, what the absorption rate is. And last, how buyers and sellers are negotiating with one another in the current marketplace today. Let's first take a look at the entire Orange County marketplace. Here's what's happening. The number of properties that are currently in the market have decreased by 35.8%. The number of properties that have come under contract in the month of February compared to February of 2009 are up 44.5%. The amount of properties that are in the marketplace that play into the absorption rate is actually sitting at 2.6 months, which is a decrease. And when we look at sellers and buyers and how they're negotiating with one another, the difference between original list price and sales price in all of Orange County is sitting at 8%. Now let's take a look at the Orange County real estate market up to $600,000 and see what's happening. First of all, the amount of properties that are in the marketplace today are actually down 43.1%. And if you look at the number of properties that actually went under contract, compare that to a year ago, it's up 36.9%. And this is a shocker when you look at the amount of the absorption rate as to how many months it would take to absorb the current inventory in the marketplace. From $0 to $600,000 in Orange County, it sits at 1.9 months. That's a huge decrease. And finally, if you look at the difference between list price and sale price, it's sitting at 3% in Orange County. Moving on into the $600,000 to $1 million price range in all of Orange County, the number of properties that are in the marketplace today and available were actually decreased by 24.5%, while the number of sales, or the number of properties that went under contract, are up almost 60%. The months of inventory, the absorption rate in the marketplace, are down to 3.2%. And lastly, the list price to sold price differential is situated at 6% for that segment of the market. Now I want to share with you what's happening in the above $1 million price range. Some incredible things are taking place. First of all, the amount of properties that are in the marketplace to even show buyers are down 24.1%. The number of sales that actually occurred, or the properties that went under contract, over $1 million are up 109.8%. Clearly the biggest decrease in all of Orange County in any particular market segment. The absorption rate, over $1 million, is sitting at 7.6 months of inventory. This is about a fifth of what it was about 18 months ago. And lastly, how buyers and sellers are negotiating so we can properly price properties in the market and buyers know how to offer in the market is situated at 17%. That represents the difference between the original list price and where properties are actually selling. In summary, the Orange County real estate market is trending as follows. The number of listings and properties available in the marketplace continue to shrink. The number of sales that are occurring or properties going under contract continue to grow. The months of inventory in the marketplace, or the absorption rate, continue to decrease and shrink. And lastly, the price range between and how buyers and sellers are negotiating continues to shrink. So in summary, the market continues to trend in a very, very positive direction in Orange County, and we're excited about it. This is Mike Hickman, Seven Gables Real Estate. I look forward to sharing with you next month the current real estate trends that are happening in Orange County today.